Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Have you ever felt like you just don't quite fit in? This book, The Foghorn, is definitely a story that you will relate to. This is a story of Henry, and Henry has trouble fitting in as well. He has a really big voice. So he wonders if he will ever be accepted, if he will ever be loved and accepted for exactly who he is. The illustrations are beautiful and the story is timeless. As you follow along, you'll learn exactly how Henry feels because no doubt you have felt that way too in your life at some point. I love this book. I bought it for my grandson. I wanted him to understand the lesson of fitting in and being accepted and how important it is to be the best version of ourselves, but the truest version of ourselves. And I really think that that's the message here in this book called The Foghorn. It's written by John Gartner. And I just really love the lesson, the illustrations, and the story itself. So I highly recommend this. It would make an excellent gift for anyone. I appreciate the lesson and I look forward to sharing it with my grandson. And that is my point of view.